Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. Welcome to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review for you guys. I was sent over this lovely unit, you guys, by DYHAIR777. So right now, I'm just showing you guys all that comes with this unit. They sent over their business card with all the information to their company, as well as care instructions for your unit on the back. So the unit that I'm reviewing for you all today is a 13 by 4, 130% density, Brazilian straight hair in the number 4. And it is also 20 inches long, and I'm just showing you guys the tag that came with the unit. Okay, so straight off the pack, I noticed that the hair is really soft. I also noticed that the hair did come with the baby hairs, and I did not get any shedding while I was finger combing it. It does come with 4 clips and an adjustable strap as well. Okay guys, so right here I'm just going in with my Ghost Bond glue, and I did go in with the relayers as well so my unit can stick really good. So right now I'm just placing some foundation on my lace, you guys, to make sure that it blends well with my skin. I also did go in with my unit right on top of the glue with the lace still on. This is my first time doing it, and I must say I actually loved it, y'all. So right now I'm just putting a scarf around my hair just to make sure that my glue had time to set in, if you know what I mean. I'm also going in right now with my hot combs to make sure that my part is as defined and flat as possible. So without having to go through the hassle of plucking, I just went in with some concealer to define my part a little bit more, to make it a little bit more noticeable, should I say. And I do think it came out really good. I think it blended seamlessly. And I also did go in with powder right on top of that cream concealer. Now that the lace is cut, the next step is to cut baby hairs and to curl the baby hairs so we can get that looking so good. Honestly, I must say also that I do love the lace. I feel like the lace actually blended seamlessly. Oh yeah, y'all, I have to say I love how my baby hairs came out too. Yes. I ended up going through this hair with my hot comb, you guys, and with my flat iron. I didn't need to do too much because the hair honestly was already straight and silky. So yeah, and I didn't put any sheen, shine, or anything on this hair. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I definitely love how everything turned out. I'm definitely going to leave all of their information in my description so you guys can be sure to check them out and use my discount code so you guys can get some money off. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in my next video.